Okay, guess what, you guys? Look at there. She be in there. Perfect. I wanted it, to not come out flush to the end of that. And I don't know, that's probably 10 thousandths maybe. Here's my little piece on the back to give it some support throughout the whole thing. And the only problem is my shaft, it'll barely go in, and then up to that shoulder right there that I was talking about before is the problem. So I got to set this back up in the forejaw, and I'm just going to clamp it here, obviously, on the gear, and get my boring bar and just ever so slightly just clean that thing out. And it may be deformed enough to where it won't allow this to go through there, or not. So I don't know. It went in like butter, actually. It was just hardly any pressure at all on my shop press to squeeze that thing in there. But I wanted to take it over to the press because it's straight and it's solid, and it gives me a nice even straight pressure to insert things like this. So let me chuck this up in my chuck here. And my little cone nuts they actually came to the rescue. Unbelievable. So there's more than one use for those things right there off the bat. They hold my painting parts and they hold my intricate little parts. Alright, so my chuck should be able to open up to grab these things. This is a Pratt Bernard chuck that I have on here, and I've gone through it and cleaned it all up a couple of times now, and it's a really nice chuck. I mean, I'm real happy with this thing, and it's solid. The movement is good on it, as you can tell by me spinning these things out. That it doesn't take a whole lot to crank on them to get them to come out. So hopefully it'll open up big enough for me to grab onto this thing. If it doesn't, we're going to be in trouble. Okay, I think we're going to make it. There we go. Okay, so let's get my preliminary setting here. I'm sighting against this line to the edge of my jaw, and same thing on this side, the line to the edge of the jaw right here. So that's my gauge to be right off the bat to get this thing somewhat in the ballpark. So see this one, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is in further than this side. So back that one off, crank this one in, and I know that this thing sitting against these teeth is probably not the best idea, but I know it's not going to take much to clean that up. So I got to set up my another gauge indicator to indicate that in now. So I'll be back.